Get over here. So,
My wife has been coming for years, and she finally convinced me to come with her. And I love picking out seeds.
I'm interested in herbs and slightly unusual herbs, and I was hoping to find something here.
I got a lot of really great seeds last year, and I felt bad because I didn't bring seeds last year or this year, but I hope to do it in the future. But yeah, I got so many, just a lot of great information and tips, and a lot of exciting seeds to try out. So now I'm extra inspired after hearing this latest session on the ways to start seeds indoors, because I haven't really been good with that in the past.
The seeds, the people, the seeds, meeting different levels of gardeners, from experienced gardeners to inexperienced gardeners to people that are here because they just love seeds. It's amazing.